In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for personal use or preparing a professional spreadsheet for work, creating a clear visual hierarchy can significantly enhance the readability and appeal of your document. One of the most effective ways to do this is by using indentation. Today, I'm going to walk you through two different methods to achieve this. Let's start with the first method, which involves manipulating cell columns. Imagine you have some titles and subcontents that you'd like to format neatly with indents. In this method, we focus on rearranging the contents between two columns. First, you'll want to take the subcontents. These are the items or data points that fall under a main title or category, and move them into the second adjacent column. After your data is arranged this way, you'll notice that your first column now contains only your main titles, and your subcontents are shifted to the next column. Now, here's the key part. You're going to adjust the width of the first column. You can slim it down to create that visual indentation effect. Click on the boundary of the column header and drag it to the left until you achieve your desired indent size. Once you're happy with the alignment, the next step is crucial. You'll merge the cells that belong to the titles that spread across both the first and second columns. To do this, select the cells you want to merge, click on the Merge button in the toolbar, and choose Merge Horizontally. This process will join these two cells, giving it a polished, indented look. Now, let's explore the second method, which is by using a custom format. This technique is particularly useful if you're dealing with larger data sets and need precision without altering the layout of your spreadsheet. Start by selecting the cells where you desire indents. With these cells highlighted, navigate to the top menu, click on Format, and then select Number. From the submenu, pick Custom Number Format. A text box will appear, and here's where the magic happens. You're going to type spaces. These empty spaces will serve as your indent, and then immediately follow them by typing the @ sign or @. This symbol acts as a placeholder for the content of the cell. After you've set your custom format with the desired amount of space, click Apply. This will create an indented effect without moving data between columns or merging cells. By using these two methods, you can easily improve the layout and readability of your Google Sheets. Sometimes, just a little bit of formatting can make all the difference in presenting your data clearly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips useful for your next project.